poppin'? Right now? Sure. We're on our way. All right, baby. Let's go.